If you want to connect with your website visitors instantly, adding Facebook Messenger chat to your WordPress site is a fantastic way to do it. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how to easily set up Messenger with the WP Social Ninja plugin, so by the end of this video, you'll have a beautiful chat widget running, ready to answer questions and build trust with your audience 24/7. Let's get started right away. WP Social Ninja is a powerful social chat tool for WordPress that lets you integrate Messenger with minimal effort. The heart of this setup is the social chat widget, where you'll add Messenger as one of your channels. The only thing you'll need on hand is your Facebook business ID or chat link, so let's grab that first. Open up your Facebook account and head directly to your Meta Business Suite. If you're not sure where that is, look down the left-hand sidebar. Meta Business Suite manages all your business interactions, making it the hub for Messenger connections. Once you're inside, click on Inbox. This is where all your Facebook messages and chats are stored. At the top right, you'll notice a gear icon for your settings. Go ahead and click that. You'll see an option to copy text. This will copy your custom MME link, which is a direct URL to your Messenger chat for your business page. Think of this link like a phone number just for Messenger. When visitors click it, they're instantly connected to you or your team. Now let's return to your WordPress dashboard and open up the WP Social Ninja app. This is where you'll create your social chat widget and set up Messenger as a channel. Find Channel in the menu. This is basically where you organize all your chat integrations, whether Messenger, WhatsApp, or others. Click that and then add a new channel. Select Messenger from the available options. Here's the key step: paste in the MME URL link you just copied from Meta Business Suite. This is what bridges your WordPress site with your Messenger chat, so whenever someone taps the chat button, they're speaking directly with your business page. After you've pasted the link, hit Save. WP Social Ninja will now generate a Messenger chat bubble on your website, seamlessly connecting your visitors to Facebook Messenger. From here, you can tailor the widget's style to match your brand. You might want to tweak the color so the chat bubble feels native to your site. This is a great way to keep your site's look consistent. And it also makes the widget stand out just enough so visitors notice it. If you want even more control, go to the General Settings. Here you can adjust things like the template chat header text, welcome message, channel buttons, which allow users to switch between multiple chat options if you set them up, and the chat bubble button itself. There's also a settings and priority section, which lets you manage how and when the chat widget appears. For example, you might want Messenger to take top priority if quick customer service is your goal. Some features in WP Social Ninja are locked behind paid plans, so if you're aiming for advanced customization or additional channels, upgrading will be the way to go. That's it, your Messenger chat is live. Now your WordPress site is ready to welcome conversations, boost engagement, and build customer relationships in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or your experience adding Messenger. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and best of luck connecting with your audience.